Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Pan Yong, Vice President of Huawei Intelligent Vision and Collaboration Product and Solution Sales.
Hi everyone, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all our customers, partners, media friends, and industry colleagues for joining us today at the 2021 Huawei Intelligent Corporation Product Launch. I'm sure you can understand why this year we held this event online. And before we start, I would like to send my best wishes to those impacted by the pandemic and hope you all will stay safe during this period. First, I want to give thanks to our customers and partners for your long-term support. Huawei Intelligent Corporation business has been going strong for 28 years. Today, I would like to talk about our products in the market for the past 2 years. In 2019, we launched a generation video conference solution, which incorporates the MCU, CloudLink Room Presence, and CloudLink Box Series endpoints. With the concept of inclusive 4K and AI, the solution became a benchmark in the video conferencing industry. In April 2020, we released a series of new IdeaHub products to provide a suite of productivity tools for device cloud synergy. The tools are perfect for smart office environment because of the extensive office application and cooperation features. Our focus has shifted from enterprise communications to intelligent cooperation. And as such, we have invested in 2 development tracks: Telepresence Conference and IdeaHub. Huawei IdeaHub is a combination of technology and art. The product and interactive experience design has led a trend of technical innovation and won recognition from many professional organizations. For example, the Red Dot Design Award in Germany 2020 and the Global Team Cooperation Device Innovation Award in Forest and Sullivan, a world-renowned consulting company. I want to give special thanks to the experts in the industry for their recognition and support. The pandemic has greatly accelerated the digital economy and make digital work a new normal. Let's look at Huawei as an example. Huawei employs over 200,000 employees in more than 1,000 offices across 170 countries and regions. But like most companies, we were impacted earlier last year. On the first day back to work, more than half of our employees worked from home. On that day, around 40,000 meetings were held to ensure working efficiency and communication. During this time, 65,000 Huawei employees used desktop cloud to access the R&D environment. Even at home, they could easily code and work anytime, anywhere. This shift from our traditional work mode to digital helps free our employees from time and energy wasted in meeting rooms, as well as business trips to different countries, research centers, and representative offices. While the traffic of the office services increased 6 times, the traffic expense reduced 28%. Currently, throughout our 1,000 offices, we upgrade our voice conference system to video conference modules. What's more, the whiteboard devices in conference room, executive rooms, and R&D office area will be upgraded to intelligent HD interactive board. This will provide our staff with a better and more efficient cooperation experience. As a new productivity tool, Huawei IdeaHub reshaping the traditional office's mode and is to influencing working mode in various industries. Huawei IdeaHub used with 5G was the first combined together for live broadcast at the open ceremony of fourth ICT competition in the Middle East. IdeaHub provides ultra-low writing latency, remote bidirectional cooperation, and HD audiovisual synchronization functions. The IdeaHub allows teachers and students to participate remotely for an immersive communication. During the fighting against the pandemic in school in Brazil, IdeaHub break the geographical barriers and connected teachers and students for smart distance education. It also facilitates diversified and online teaching thanks to extensive interaction capabilities, helping to stimulate students' learning and efficiently reduce the impact of the pandemic on education. IdeaHub is also working wonder in telehealth. From Wuhan University Hospital in China to Congo Kinshasa, IdeaHub connects doctors and ensure quality treatment. In one case, despite a distance of 11,000 kilometers, doctors smoothly cooperate just like face-to-face communication to treat a patient with oral cancer. Huawei IdeaHub products has provided a variety of interesting new experiences and applications that have greatly stimulated your creativity. Last November, Huawei Deep-Sea Manned Submersible 奋斗者 challenged the world's deepest ocean, setting a new record for manned deep diving at 10,000 meters. In Marina Exchange at the Western Pacific Ocean. You know what? The video materials of 奋斗者 will shoot to global audience through Huawei IdeaHub. Huawei works with a global hotpot company named Haidilao to connect people via HD video. The company rolled out a cloud dinner service available at Haidilao's restaurants in over 40 cities globally, allowing people who were separated to seamlessly enjoy a special meal with their lovely families. Huawei IdeaHub is not only just suitable for science and education industries, but also is a perfect option for online sales and transaction. Simi, an internet icon from Brazil, used the IdeaHub to live stream and sell products, efficiently enhanced her online performance leveraging to a stunning display of products. During the 2020 pandemic, 18 million enterprises and 300 million people worked remotely in China. There are 260 million students and 20 million teachers who conduct distance learning, online courses, and online assignment submission and collection. 30,000 hospitals carry out activity such as remote consultation, remote visit, and online live surgeon teaching, remote government work, online document receiving and sending. And the remote commands are carried out in over 100 cities and 30 provinces. It can be said that the pandemic has permanently changed the work and life of each of us. Its impact will also be long-term and far-reaching. In the post-pandemic era, we need to build a digital work platform, embrace a new work style, improving organizational efficiency, and make everyone work more efficiently. The core element of the new way of working is AI. In 2020, Huawei released the Intelligent Twins, which is a reference architecture proposed for intelligent upgrade and leverages AI as the core for a new working mode. With collaboration across the cloud, edge, and devices, Intelligent Twins deliver smart office for people, organizations, and enterprises in all scenarios. For example, in typical application of hospitals, the intelligent image reading slashes the time of reading a CT scan from 12 minutes to seconds. The time for CT qualification results is reduced from 4 hours to 1 minute. Hundreds of CT scans can be read instantly, and the period of medical consultation is reduced from 3 days to less than 1 hour. This greatly improves medical service efficiency and is especially helpful when medical resources are inefficiently. As we all know, Huawei's mission is to bring digital to every person, home, organization for a fully connected, intelligent world. The mission of our team, Huawei Intelligent Cooperation Team, that is oriented to digital office, intelligent work, is to let everyone work intelligently and unleash organizational effectiveness. We are committed to building tools with advanced productivity in the cloud era. Our strategy is to connect two ecosystems, providing one-stop smart office solution for users. This helps users easily handle various complex business scenarios and diverse work requirements of enterprises. In 2021, we will actively embrace the Harmony ecosystem and become the core entry for organization cooperation and business flows, achieving seamless cooperation across all scenarios and terminals at the enterprise level. Huawei will build a rich application ecosystem based on Huawei Cloud to provide users with basic conferencing, office digitalization, and industry digitalization applications to meet scenario-based services requirements for the enterprises. In terms of products, we continually invest in 5 core technologies to provide users with ultimate product experience. In addition to the 5 core technology advantages you know well, more importantly, we have systemic software and hardware engineering capabilities from bottom layer to the system interaction. This enables us to keep leading in product performance, interaction experience, and application innovation, and build future-oriented productivity tools, challenge the working mode, and improving productivity efficiency. Through the continuous innovation, we improve our product line and promote new products. Huawei IdeaHub board is a brand new product series for smart office and smart education. Now, let's watch a video. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to announce that the Huawei IdeaHub board is officially launched. Project Minds, right ideas. This is IdeaHub board. To recap, let's see what Huawei IdeaHub board it brings to various space. For smart classrooms, IdeaHub board provides students and teachers with more healthy, smarter, and more efficient teaching experience. For meeting rooms, the IdeaHub board greatly improves the working efficiency and empowers leaders and staff to maximize their potentials. For open office space, the IdeaHub board helps unleash your creativity and inspiration anytime, anywhere. Next, my colleague Simon Dai will introduce our new product to you in detail. Please.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. I'm Simon Dai. Today, I'm so excited to be here to introduce you a newly released product, Huawei IdeaHub Board Series. The board is an intelligent collaboration device that's equipped with a premium anti-blue light protection, helping to protect your eyesight. It combines smart writings, wireless protection, and open application into the single board, helping unleash the potential of the local meeting and open discussion. The productivity tool provides super collaborations, stimulations, inspiration for diverse scenarios, such as smart office and education. Next, let me show you this modern collaboration assistant from outside in. The board uses the zero-gap binding and the environmental-friendly Lalo coating. It incorporates statical design into the single detail and make your place an artistic showcase. With a 4K soft light screen, the board comforts your eyes with low blue light, professional color corrections, and adaptation to the ambient light. The soft light screen provides crystal clear and comfortable view even under strong lighting. In the era of education, informatization. There are many choices of the screen products, some of which has short wavelength blue lights that's especially harmful to young people and the long-time users. Even devices such as anti-blue light glasses and others can reduce the impact to some extent. But it may cause yellow cast that not only cause the visual fatigue, but also affect children's color recognition. To resolve this issue, the board adapts the optical anti-blue light technology to prevent the harmful blue lights from the light source and eliminate the colors. To demonstrate their strengths, let's watch a short video.
IdeaHub board, optical anti-blue light, blue light protection from the source, low blue light certification from the UV Rainland for comfortable views.
Next, since I have talked about eye protection, I want to discuss how the board pleases your eyes. The PQ automatic color corrections algorithm developed by Huawei makes board professional-grade display and offer 30% higher color uniformity than the industry standard. The board display image in true and varying colors offer vivid visual experience. The board not only adjusts its brightness based on ambient light, but also uses the anti-glare technology to reduce the screen light reflections. Ensure you won't miss important due to the light reflections. In addition, the screen brightness is automatically adjusted based on ambient light to ensure a clear and a comfortable view. The board also provides high-quality audio. The bass sound is clear and flawless. Huawei have close to 30 years of experience in the audio technology. Ensure the board uses the 48 kHz resolution for full band sound pickup and playback, and adapt the proprietary bass, the boost algorithm, to further enhance the bass quality. In terms of the audio 3A algorithm, the board uses automatically noise suppression technology to pick up the sound a distance of 8 meters. It uses the automatically echo cancellation technology to correct the HD audio and use automatically gain control technology to ensure the clear sound regardless of the distance between the speaker and the microphone. The board offers a high system performance and seamlessly fit into environment. The board supports both built-in Android and Windows operating system. Simply tap the icons in the lower left corner to switch between the two operating systems. You can enjoy the dual ecosystem without the power of the board and inserting or removing the OPS. Next, let's talk about the software functions. Huawei Cast Plus. Without installing any app, you can implement wireless HD projections from the drop-down menus on your mobile phone. In addition, after mobile phone projects its contents, you can reverse operate your phone on the large screen, such as direct turning page and making annotations. During the screen projection, the Do Not Disturb features is support a personal message from the phone won't be projected onto the screen. Simply start up the projection, enable DND, and share your content without worries. In addition to one-touch projection, the board can share the content through the project code, Ideal Share Key, and DLNA. The PC invokes hardware encoding decoding capability to implement 4K 30 frames per second content sharing. Like a projection, writing is one of the core capabilities of the board. We are pleased to announce our board featured a unique handwriting tracking algorithm and achieved 35 millisecond ultra-low writing latency. Writing on the board is as easy as using a pen on paper. IdeaHub uses neural network algorithm to intelligently recognize text and graphic and convert the handwriting to eligible digital forms. It also supports gesture recognition in erasing and dragging operations. The board supports up to 1080p 30 high-definition cloud video meetings by using external cameras. You can join a meeting as easy as just scan QR code by using your mobile phone. Adapting in deep learning algorithm, the board supports intelligent background noise reductions and honey detection to block or mute irrelevant sounds to ensure clear voice even in the noise environment. In terms of the ecosystem, the board is at the forefront of the industry. Huawei App Galleries now has dedicated IdeaHub sections where you can download over 100 apps safely and freely. In addition, the board supports Open API, SDK, and work with industry partners to build optimal solutions. We're looking forward to joining with the new partners who are passionate about accelerating this digital transformation of industry. Smart education is a new objective for Huawei to practice digital upgrade. In Huawei's smart classroom solutions, Huawei released a portfolio of advanced technologies such as intelligent collaboration device, cloud devices, and big data. They are destined to build the efficient interactive classroom as well as online, offline, convergent teaching environment for both teachers and students. Huawei's smart classroom solutions can be applied in following three scenarios: the regular classroom, group discussing, and interactive teaching. A pain point for education anywhere is limited and a borrowing cost resource, as well as a lack of interaction with students. We know that the vivid and interesting material can help teachers easily prepare and teaching courses, and are helpful in inspiring teachers and students' learning and participation. In addition, AI learning evaluation can virtualize the teaching process and the result. Traditional education only supports one-way teaching and lacks interactive. By facilitating smart classroom education, both teachers and students can interact and discussing with each other through their screens. Group members can also share content with each other for efficient communication. The screen of each group can be displayed on the main screen for comparison and illustration, forming a good learning atmosphere. Remote interaction teachings is becoming increasingly popular. The IdeaHub board breaks the geographic restrictions of the traditional teaching to ensure the resource of well-known teachers and the schools can be effectively shared now. Remote cross-screen teaching, multi-point access to classroom, and the regular content recording can be used to accumulate and share the school resource. IdeaHub board, project mind, write ideas. We are ready for the digital world. Are you? Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Amber.
And hi, my name is Edwin. I'm Chief Digital Transformation Officer in our HUAWEI Enterprise Business Group. I help our customers and our partners with their digital journey, and I am a part-time lecturer in HUAWEI Academy.
Wow, seems you have so many daily activities. Very busy, aren't you?
I'm quite busy, yes, but I do have a magic tool that helps me get through the day more efficiently.
Magic? What is it?
Very magic. It's right behind us. It's the HUAWEI IdeaHub board. What do you think of that?
You mean my first impression?
What would be your first impression?
I think it's so stylish and elegant. I really like the JY color, the thin board, and the simple but fashionable appearance. You know, less is more.
Less indeed is more. That's a very powerful statement. You know, we really try to bring together high-end technology with state-of-the-art design and engineering into one look and feel. And this is what it is. I mean, look at these legs. It's like almost not touching the floor.
I think it's like the legs of a ballet dancer.
Ooh, that is a very good way of putting it. The legs of a dancer. Would you like me to show you how it works?
Sure.
Then let's do that. So, this is the HUAWEI IdeaHub board, in which we solve a few powerful issues in daily operations. Some of them are actually hidden. For example, blue light. Working with a screen a long time, especially for children and students in class, is a huge brain drainer. And a few ways of solving that is with software or with hardware. Hardware is most stable. For example, with glasses. You put on your glasses and it takes away the blue light, and that allows you to be more healthy when working with a screen like this. But sometimes you forget your glasses, and then there is an option for software like on your smartphone.
But I remember when I turn on the icon for mode on my phone, you know, the screen turns yellow, right? So it is always hard for me to make a choice between accurate color display and eye protection.
And in return, when you see that the screen is changing from colors, you're changing the colors back, which means you're bypassing actually the function what it is there for, which is to protect your health. So this is what we did. We took the hardware function and the software capabilities into an embedded hardware enhancement built in the screen. So this screen automatically adjusts background light and takes away the harmful blue light into harmless blue light. And that makes it more easy and more focusing to work with.
Can we prove this? Can we make it visible?
We have obtained a test certification from TÜV in Germany, which is one of the highest test institutions in Europe for these kind of certifications. So we solved the problem of low blue light with embedded technology. Another problem that we've solved is using smart screens as you know it. Putting your pen on the screen never is accurate. If you draw the line, there is a bit of latency, right? So this is what we've done. We've created a solution called zero gap technology. The inner layer of the screen and the outer layer of the screen are mapped so close together that it has a zero gap. Technically speaking, that's very innovative, but what it really solves is the idea that you're writing on paper. With a solution like this, it really feels like you're writing on paper.
Really?
Absolutely. Would you
Can
like
we
to try
try
it?
it?
All right,
Yes.
then this is what we do. I get a piece of paper,
Yep.
I hold it here, I take a pen myself, a regular pen, a white paper pen, you know, ink, and you take one of the smartboard pens.
This one?
And we just draw a line in the same speed, and we see if there is a bit of latency.
Ah, okay.
Let's
We'll
do
try.
that. So, piece of paper, thank you. Here we go. I click on the whiteboard function. This is the whiteboard function. Ready?
Yeah.
I follow your lead. So whatever line you draw, I draw too.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
There we go. How's that, huh?
Yeah.
How is that for zero latency?
So smooth.
How is that for a feeling of writing on paper?
Yes.
Very much on paper.
Yeah, it's just like writing on a real paper.
Very much, very much. So this means now we have a very intuitive way of teaching and learning. For example, in drawing class. You know Pictionary?
Yep. So I draw your guess.
Shall we play it? You
Okay.
draw and I guess?
Yep.
Okay.
Erase this
We
one, right?
erase this in a very simple way.
Oh,
How's that?
just like this.
Just like
wow.
that. With your hand,
so convenient.
with your palm, no dirtiness on the sleeve or on your arm of your jacket or whatever, right? Like a blackboard and chalk. So, please go ahead.
Let
What
me
would you like
think.
to draw? I will guess. And you
Okay.
can guess with us.
Okay. Like. How about this one?
That's like a hand?
No.
Not really.
Yeah.
It's like a dog. It's missing some eyes here and there.
No.
Then I really have no clue. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Actually, it's a cactus.
A cactus.
Yes.
But a cactus has these things, you know, these spikes and all that.
Sorry for my poor drawing.
That's all right. But we are in class as we are right now. Shall we pretend as if we are in drawing class? So why don't you join us as well? In 10 lines, you can draw any picture you like. How's that for a class?
Okay. Let's begin.
Just do as I do, and you take pen and paper and do the same right now in the room where you are watching this. Just a pen and paper. We start with a little figure that you all know, which is something like this. Very good. Now give it 2 bubbles. Give it a reversed C,
See here.
anywhere you like. 2 dots. And now any kind of hairstyle or hairdo that you would like. So in my case, instead of spikes, I'm going curly.
Yeah, I like curly hair too.
Very good. Now give it a little corner, a little line from the ear down,
Okay.
like a swirl, a little line from the chin down. Now you can choose either a V-neck or a
Like
V-neck.
this?
Very good. A line to the right,
The shoulder, right?
a line to the left,
This.
and there you have it. Succeeded? Worked? Now let's alter this picture. I sometimes need glasses, so I'm going to give my character some glasses, just like that.
No, I don't like glasses.
You don't like
Why
glasses?
wear one?
You already have one. How about brushy eyebrows like this?
Like the moustache,
How about what brighter eye?
necklace.
Necklace.
Yeah.
You're really getting the hang of it. I'm giving it my character a little mustache. This one actually looks like my teacher from the past. Little curly hair. How's that for drawing class? Less than 10 lines. And you can learn anything you would like to draw.
Yeah.
Cool?
Yeah, super cool.
How about we try something more colorful?
Wait a second.
For what?
I need to take the photo
For what?
for personal saving.
Personal saving is so old school. There's an easier way to do it.
Really?
We click the save button here, and here we can choose. You scan the QR code, which is right here, and it will pull the picture to your smart device. We click on the mail button here, and here is a pull-out menu that actually allows you to insert any email address, including your own, if this is what you want to send to yourself. Or, if we click local, it will save it on the whiteboard itself in a local folder or a cloud folder, if that's where your files are shared. How's that?
It's So convenient.
So convenient, so no need to save. But we are going to another screen. So we're going to another screen setting, we're going to white. So let's erase this. You want to erase it in the old-fashioned way or in one clear all? And we're going to go to a setting that allows us, for example, to have a meeting about organizational structures. We're going to change the organizational structure. So for example, we are drawing an org chart, for example, that usually looks like this, right?
Oh.
But as you can see now, it automatically beautifies it and creates it in a way that is needed. We can actually create a line like that, and it automatically fits into where it's supposed to be. So I don't have to be a genius when it comes to drawing. I can draw a triangle, which is not that cool, but the system automatically transfers it into circles and diagrams. You want to give it a try?
Wow. So I don't worry if I cannot draw a standard run.
Very cool, right?
Yes.
Very cool. Now, something else. How about writing? Because this is drawing. How about writing different writing styles? So we erase this again. We clear it all. Normally speaking, when you're writing something, regular writing is like this, right? Regular writing is something like, and we hope that everybody can read it. Just like if you can write your name,
Like
Amber, or Office, right? And we hope that everybody can read this. Not that easy sometimes, so we can beautify this a little bit. We can change from a brush or a writing style to regular text. So what we do now is when I'm writing my name, not that nice, it transposes it into system font. So this makes it very easy to transfer from a digital screen with a handwriting style into a system style. So if we copy this to Word documents, we don't need to have, handwriting in a Word document. We have system writing style already. So that's what the IdeaHub board is about. Now, let's move to something else. Streaming, screen sharing, connectivity.
Yep. So we need a lot of cables, right?
Cables are 2020. We are in 2021.
Oh, really?
No more cables. We go wireless,
Wow.
which is right here. So different ways to share the screen and to cast information from your screen to a smart board like this. For example, you can project from your PC or computer screen. Your mobile phone can be projected and shared with the screen in a number of different ways. Here is a button that if we click it, it opens up a QR code, and when you scan it, just follow the instructions and then share the screen.
So this is for all phones, right?
This is for all phones, and including computers or tablets if they have a camera that is able to share or capture the QR code. But in your case, I think you have a smartphone, right?
Yes.
Is it of the right brand?
Yes.
A Huawei phone really works very well in this particular case. So if you open up the smartphone screen, if you pull down your smartphone screen, there is a number of options. One of them is wireless sharing or sharing. If you can do that now, and then follow the instructions in the screen.
Ooh.
And there you have it. So this is the screen of your smartphone. These are the
Yes.
applications on your smartphone. And this is very easy sharing and casting of information on your smartphone. For example, if this is the device that has your homework or that has specific additional information to add to your homework while you're, for example, in class and you're sharing your homework, then this would be a very interesting feature. No computers, no cables, and no hassle. Share the screen. So you got something to share? Oh, here, look at that. I see you already share your albums, your photos.
Yes, I have some photos of my hometown.
Oh, fantastic.
I'm from Chengdu, the hometown of pandas.
Hometown of the pandas. You have pictures of the pandas?
Actually, I've got a video.
A
Like
video
this.
of the pandas. Fantastic.
Oops,
Oh.
sorry.
Let's
Sorry,
wait
my
with the
fault.
playing of the video. Information security, privacy protection is also an individual setting. We can have a lot of technology that can solve that, but also you need to be prone to your own privacy protection and identity protection. So, two ways of doing this. Any smart device, of course, has a setting that you need to find and then slide into activate do not disturb, just like we have right here. So on your smartphone, there is this icon that you can search. It's the blue one on the top.
Oh, I found it.
Good, but you do not have to do this on your smartphone.
Oh, really?
You can do this on the screen.
Can I touch the screen?
You can touch the blue button on the screen.
It'll work?
It will work because just like what you already know in sharing your computer with a large screen like this, and where you don't have to go to your computer to flip the slide in the PowerPoint, you can do this from your screen, right? You can control your PowerPoint. Same, we've brought this into the smart environment that you see here. So click the blue button on the screen. We call this reversed control.
Like this?
Like that.
It works.
And here you can select hide notifications. Just slide the icon and enable that. So now your phone is on Do Not Disturb. The information you're sharing is not interrupted with personal messages or private messages, just like it is supposed to be. So let's watch the video again.
Okay.
Which you can control from the screen.
Yep.
And you can tilt your phone to make it
Like this?
a full screen, because a big animal
I see.
needs a big screen. And also from here we can go back to the beginning, we can even edit and cut a few pieces. So reverse control on your mobile device using a super-size version of a mobile device. This is a mobile operation mode. The IdeaHub board becomes a super-sized tablet. Every video streaming app has an option to either share or cast that screen as well. Here, also on the smartphone, or on a Huawei smartphone, if you open one of your streaming apps, it has a little icon in the top toolbar that either says sharing or TV.
I've already got one.
You got one?
Yep.
So if you play and then click TV share,
I found it.
then here
Wow.
it's playing. As you can see. And it's playing in full screen. Now, suppose you are either in class, or suppose you are a mom and you're home teaching your kids, or you're trying to keep your kids a little quiet. Then this is a movie that you can show them, but you on your smartphone can continue to use your office applications or your business applications. So in this way, we got a floating window here, no interrupt for students in class, for example, and the teacher, perhaps during this time, can send additional messages to the back office information system or to the janitor or what have you. So also here, an exact same example, not only of reverse control, but reverse controlled operations. Your supersized screen really is an equivalent to your smartphone screen. And this is a mobile phone operation mode. So that is mobile sharing with a mobile phone.
Yes, I see. So the laptop supports the wireless projection too?
Yes, it does, in exactly the same way. So just like you've just seen with using a smartphone and casting and sharing the screen of your smartphone, it also works with your tablet or your computer. There is also another way. So you can either follow that as an instruction, or we have an Idea Share key. You plug this into the USB port of your computer, and after the Idea Share key is inserted and synchronized and the light indicator is not blinking anymore, the only thing I have to do, or the only thing that we have to do, is click the button and it will automatically share the screen.
Wow, it works.
As you see here. And to prevent us from going back and forth to control on the computer the next page, for example, and then back here, if we click the toolbar and we go to reverse control, just like we've seen previously, then now we're also able to slide back and forth into these pages and so on. And if we think that these numbers are not correct, or we'd like to leave some annotation, we can go to the annotation section and we can write in a different color, for example, in this way, that this number is correct, this number is not correct, and we need a presentation title. Just like that. And basically, when we're done sharing, we click the button again, the screen will close, and we can move on to our work. But this is not all. Certainly this is not all. This is an application that runs on your computer. An application that runs on your computer can be shared and cast to a screen like this. What if you don't have your computer? What if you didn't bring your computer, but there are applications to share? For example, cloud-based applications, or applications that are running locally. There is a very simple function on an IdeaHub board like this, which moves us from a tablet mode into a computer mode. So we're converting this supersize tablet, this supersize smartphone, into a supersize computer screen. By clicking this button, and as you can see on the screen here, this now is your supersize computer. And as any computer, if you click the home button of the computer, you're getting your drop-down and your pull-down menus that have installed, just like on your computer, applications, office applications, collaboration applications. So now you work in a computer mode. Multiple functions, really, this is the magic of an IdeaHub board that powers my imagination. So it's really a hub for ideas in a supersize smart board.
Yes, powerful.
Tremendously powerful.
I really love it. Can I take it in my office now?
Not yet,
Why?
because I need it for a few more minutes. This is the power of the IdeaHub board. This is a board that fits your classroom, your open office space, and your meeting and team rooms. So, find out from your local Huawei contact if there is a demo unit available, or even better, purchase one. One moment. Hi, yes, another demo. Now? I gotta go, sorry. See you. IdeaHub board, get one. Bye.
Hi, boss. I got a special present for you. Yes, I'm on my way now.
Yeah, I have one in my room as a demo, but I cannot believe how high demand these devices are. It's gone. It's gone. I need to go find it. It's gone. It was just here a minute ago. I need to go find it. Found it. It was in the other office. That's how easy such a mobile device can be in any different office or classroom environment. Get one for yourself. Find your Huawei contact, ask for a demo, or better, purchase one, purchase two, collaborate. That's what the power of IdeaHub board is.